So today I'm gonna make a little inexpensive breakfast on my pellet smoker. Since I'm a single guy, this will last me a couple days. So I got 8 eggs. I have a third cup of onions and peppers, third cup of chopped spinach, garlic clove, some flaky biscuits, salt, pepper, and onion powder, some turkey sausage, and a third cup of milk. I'm gonna take the biscuits, cut them up in, I guess, bite-sized pieces. You can do it by hand, seems a little bit easier. Do it with a knife. Get all your eggs, put them in a bowl. Get all your eggs, crack them into a bowl. Go ahead and add salt, pepper, and onion powder. Go ahead and add your vegetables. Give that a stir. Don't forget the milk. Take your sausages, cut them into pieces. Doesn't have to be turkey sausage. Use whatever you want. And try to add your sausages evenly to the pan. This is a small pan, so you should be all right. Next, we're going to take an egg mixture. And distribute it evenly in this pan. All right, let's go put it on the smoker.